Alright Tundra owners, check this out. We're super excited to tell you about our new fiberglass subwoofer enclosure designed specifically for your 2014 to 2020 Toyota Tundra Crew Max. This massive 4.2 cubic subwoofer enclosure provides the best SQ SPL possible on the market today. By custom molding the enclosure between the rear wall and the seats in your Tundra, we're able to use full-size subwoofers with power ratings up to 1600 watts RMS. There's no need to settle for shallow-sounding, shallow-mount subwoofers. This massive box spans the width of your Tundra and mounts flush to the rear power sliding window. The enclosure, subwoofers, and port are strategically designed to fit behind the rear seats without losing any valuable cab space.
What's up, man? What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Good. Jump on in. I want you to hear this.
Is this your new box?
Yeah, let me know what you think.
George told me about it, and I was like, man, that's all to hear it.
Yeah.